This is our project, PC-based robotic drink mixer. Going to the login form, this form contains the user type, the username, and the password. Logging in, we are now at the main form. This form contains the Browse Drinks List button and the Build Your Own Drinks button. Going to the Browse Drinks List form, this form contains the 30 defined drinks of the system. This also contains the preview of the ingredients of the defined drinks. Going back to the main menu, we now go to the Build Your Own Drinks form. This form contains the 12 main ingredients of the system. In this form, the user can build their own drink the way they like it. And to start working with the arm, we now go back to the main menu and to the Browse Drinks List form. Then choose a drink, confirming it. After that, the system will send a signal to the microcontroller who will control the arm. Because there are 3 ingredients present in the drink mix, the arm start moving to the position of the first ingredient. Grab the bottle and pour it to the mixing glass. Then, returning back the bottle to its position. After that, the arm will start moving to the position of the second ingredient. Grab the bottle and pour it to the mixing glass. Then, turning the bottle to its position. Lastly, the arm will move to the position of the last and third ingredient. It will grab the bottle and pour it to the mixing glass. Then, returning back again the bottle to its position. And now, the mixed drink is ready to drink.